Here we are, caught up here in the flat woods in a nasty storm. We're just hunkered down under this.
I hear some thunder.
I heard some thunder too. That ain't good. That's great.
It's over.
What is it?
I don't know. Something just fucking grabbed my leg.
Hey, Will.
Hey, it's over to the right of us, Sean. Look at that rain down over here.
Is it going over that way?
Yeah, look.
Oh man, I tell you what. Hey, there's more thunder. That ain't good.
But it's behind us. It's not on top of us.
Yeah.
That's good. We're right.
Gosh, at the wind, buddy. I just hope we don't get struck by lightning under this stupid tree.
Don't lean on any metal.
Yeah.
All I can tell you. Hope for the best.
Well, that's all for now.